Right, we are recording. These are our letters. 3 boxes of the new Leaf Electrum Multisport. These are our letters. Goes by the first letter of the last name. If there's only one name on the card, it goes by the first letter of the one name on the card. Pele's in here for sure, and a couple other soccer dudes only have one name on the card. If it's hyphenated last name like Smith-Jones, that would go to the S. If it's unhyphenated like Kerry Walsh Jennings, that would go to the J. Multiplayer cards, there are 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 ways, and 5 ways in here. You got to own 50% or more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 3 of a 5-way. Good luck, everybody. Leaf seal. Empty box. Empty box. All right, here we go. First card. Mason Paris. Looks like an Olympic wrestler. 15 of 20 bronze for the P as in Paul. Let's see. Card number 2. Purple. Keenan Allen. Purple. 7 of 7 for the A. GTGD Gary. And in Linchpin's face, Barry Sanders. Crystallography. In Linchpin's face. Hole. Nice first box. Box number 2. It's always a good night when I get to say, in Linchpin's face. Empty box. It's like a highlight of my night when I get to do that. Box number 2. Uh-oh, we got our first multi-autograph card. I saw that there's 3 people on that one, I think. Here comes the Thunder, Dick Butkus. In Master E's face, 1 of 10. For the B as in boy, Ed Seat. On the board. Card number 2 is pink. The Dominator, Dominique Wilkins. What they call him? I forget what his nickname was. 4 of 4, Dominique Wilkins for the W. Kush. And remember, if somebody owns 2 of the 3, I think it's just a triple. Yeah, it's just a triple. Barry Sanders, Emmett Smith, and Terrell Davis. Wow, power trios. 2 S's go to Cole. 2 out of the 3. What was that number 2? 1 of 1. Nice. Very good box. Last box of this break. This case has been crazy. Think of all the autographs we've got out of this case so far. Crazy. Curry 101, Giannis, an Emmett Smith singled out, a Barry Sanders singled out, a triple with Emmett Smith, Barry Sanders, and Terrell Davis. This case is, well, this product in general is pretty hot, I think. Alrighty. Here we go. Todd McShay. Todd McShay. Pop culture. Well, I guess he's a sportscaster, right? 3 of 20. Todd McShay for the Amazon Mike. Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin. Card number 2. Going this way. Allen Iverson. This, this. 7 of 20. Allen Iverson. Ricky G. Chum. Last card. This is the box hit in this case. Looks like some kind of tie-dye thing. Brett Favre. Strange Colors. Brett Favre. 2 of 8. Favre. Kush. You need a little kush kush. Do you still like him, Kush? Do you still like Brett Favre since he was a pack attack? He used to be a pack attack, so it might be still considered PC love. Still might be considered PC love for the Cushionator. All right, well we'll do the other 3 boxes tomorrow. It looks like it looks like my Pop Century will be here tomorrow, so we'll do I like that color. I like the way that card's laid out too. I think it's a pretty cool looking card.